Can a crack in your exhaust manifold ruin your engine? Most people think that a crack in the exhaust manifold is nothing more than a loud, annoying leak. However, a crack in the exhaust manifold on a turbocharged diesel can make your engine get dangerously hot. And here's why. When the manifold is cracked, the turbo can't build boost the way it should because exhaust pressure is escaping out of the crack instead of driving the turbo. Without proper boost, cool air isn't getting into the engine. That does two things. It drops the power and it pushes temps way up. The engine doesn't realize that it isn't getting the air it needs, so it keeps throwing more fuel at it, which drives the temps even higher. The stock one-piece manifolds are known for warping, shrinking, and cracking. At Diesel Power Source, we understand how dangerous a cracked manifold can be. And that's why we build our manifolds with joints. They're press fit together so they can expand and contract at the joint, preventing the warping, shrinking, and cracking. A one-piece design will always be more prone to cracking than a multi-piece design, even if it's an aftermarket one-piece. We also use the highest level of CFD technology available to test and develop airflow. Our CFD testing shows nothing we've compared outperforms them. A good flowing manifold doesn't just improve exhaust flow, it builds more boost, which keeps the engine cooler while using the same amount of fuel. Because cracked manifolds are so common, we always recommend if you're already replacing out your turbo, it's the perfect time to replace your manifold. And if you're going to replace it, you might as well replace it with a multi-piece manifold that's the highest flowing option on the market.